Workplace accident police interview.
The police are interviewing a witness to an accident that occurred at the school earlier that day. The interview is being carried out in the afternoon. Hello, I just wanted to ask you a few questions about the accident at school this morning where the gardener was badly burnt. Were you at school this morning?
You are ngaina gulja ngaina wargamarin ba clean a jinga.
Well, we've heard that the gardener burnt himself with petrol and we heard that you were there at the time. Can you tell me what you saw at school this morning?
Ngailo na house amul by concrete ba eating a preschool wari and nyangu na gardener lo pilama by loan ma petrol gulo ngailo na nyangu petrol ba indi by urungalo.
What happened then, after he filled the lawnmower?
Palonja jano daily no chango majiji gulo palonja ka wera bungo palanga petrol ba bala jano barjono ngaina uloringo tampana nyango ji.
Yes, that was very stupid. Is that how his clothes caught on fire?
You are waru barjono banajano urungalo kamu balonya jano baloguno urunga bagano kamba bay.
Was he trying to put the fire out himself?
You are Budungo Bungo Bay, Minagulolo, Waro Wearigra, Balunyalo, Budungabino, Puncano, Mirabay, Balunyano, Purunba Kamba Bay.
Yes, he was burnt badly and the nurse at the health centre sent him to Perth Hospital. Tell me, were you able to help him when his clothes were on fire?
Ngainalo Urjano, Balunyagadi, Auskulo, Pudunalo Indino, Kalyo, Warunga Wearingo.
Well, he was lucky that you were there to help him with that hose. He could easily have died, so I think you saved his life.
You are because Balunyaguno Urunga Kamba by Nuri, Kamba Bunkano Bananga.
Okay, thank you for telling me that story. You can go now.